Navien tankless water heaters are renowned for their energy efficiency and space-saving design. However, like any mechanical appliance, they can experience operational issues that require attention. One of the most common issues is ignition failure, which prevents the unit from lighting its burner to heat water. This problem is typically indicated by specific error codes displayed on the unit. Ignition failure can stem from several key factors. Gas supply problems are among the most common causes, including insufficient gas pressure or closed valves. Blocked air filters are another frequent culprit. The air intake filter can become clogged with dust and debris, preventing proper combustion airflow. Faulty ignition components, including the igniter and flame rod, can also prevent proper operation. These critical components may wear out or become damaged over time. Ventilation issues can also cause ignition failure. Proper venting is crucial for safe operation, and blockages can prevent adequate airflow needed for combustion. Regular annual maintenance is crucial for preventing ignition failures and ensuring long-term performance. This includes flushing the system to remove mineral deposits that can accumulate over time. Hard water areas may require more frequent maintenance due to increased mineral buildup. These deposits can severely impact system performance and lead to component failures. Finally, it's important to remember that gas conversions, such as switching from natural gas to propane, should only be performed by qualified service technicians to ensure safe and proper operation. When your Navien tankless water heater shows an ignition failure error, systematic troubleshooting can often resolve the issue. Here's a step-by-step guide to diagnose and fix the problem. Step 1. Check your gas supply. Ensure the main gas valve is fully open and verify there's adequate gas in your supply line or tank. Low gas pressure is a common cause of ignition failure. Step 2. Inspect and clean the air intake filter. A dirty filter blocks proper airflow and prevents ignition. Remove the filter, clean it with a toothbrush and cold water, then let it dry completely before reinstalling. Step 3. Examine the ignition components. Check the igniter for proper spark generation and inspect the flame rod for damage or corrosion. These components are critical for detecting and maintaining the flame. Step 4. Check the venting system for blockages and verify all electrical connections. Proper ventilation is essential for safe operation, and loose electrical connections can prevent ignition. Step 5. Reset the unit. Turn off the water heater, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Press the reset button if your model has one. This clears any temporary error codes. Regular maintenance prevents ignition failures. Annually, flush the system to remove mineral deposits, clean the water inlet filter, and clean the condensate trap. This keeps your unit running efficiently. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the ignition failure, contact a qualified technician. Some repairs require professional expertise and specialized tools for safe completion.